In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate SPI and CPI in Microsoft Project. We'll walk through the exact setup you need so Microsoft Project can calculate these earned value metrics for you, and then I'll show you where to see them. By the end, you'll understand not just how to click through the menus, but what the numbers mean and how to read them with confidence. First, make sure earned value is set up correctly. Microsoft Project can't compute Schedule Performance Index, SPI, and Cost Performance Index, CPI, unless your plan has a baseline and you've recorded actual progress. Think of the baseline as a snapshot of your original plan, the dates, durations, and costs you committed to, so you can compare your real progress against it. To capture that snapshot, go to the Project tab, click Set Baseline, choose Set Baseline, and select Entire Project. Do this after your schedule, resources, and costs are in good shape. Setting the baseline locks in the plan for tracking. If you update your plan later, just remember that resetting or overwriting a baseline will change your earned value comparisons going forward, so only do that intentionally. Next, update your actual progress so Project has real-world data to compare against the baseline. Go to the Task tab and click Update Tasks. Here, enter the % complete for each task along with actual start and actual finish where you know them. If you track costs, add actual cost as well. If you don't enter actual cost, Microsoft Project can derive it from assigned resource rates and actual work, so you'll still get CPI as long as costs are set up. The key is consistency. Update these fields on a regular cadence so your performance indicators reflect the latest status. Now let's view SPI and CPI. Go to the View tab, click Tables, select More Tables, and choose either Earned Value or Earned Value Cost Indicators. Both will display the essential fields: EV, earned value, PV, planned value, AC, actual cost, along with SPI and CPI. SPI is EV divided by PV. It shows schedule efficiency. A value above 1.0 means you're ahead of schedule. Below 1.0 means you're behind. CPI is EV divided by AC. It shows cost efficiency. Above 1.0 means you're getting more value than you're spending, under budget. Below 1.0 means costs are running high, over budget. You can review these at the task, summary, or overall project level, and the table will roll up values for summaries automatically. Once the baseline is set and actuals are updated, Microsoft Project does the math for you. Use SPI and CPI to spot trends early and guide your next decisions with data.